Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade gold in XM. To begin, open XM and make sure you are on the home page. Starting from the home page is important because it helps you navigate the platform exactly as intended and makes it easier to find the market you want to trade. Take a quick moment to confirm the page has fully loaded before moving on, so all menus and options are visible. Once you are on the home page, click on Markets. This section is where XM lists the available trading instruments, and it is the main place to go when you want to explore or select an asset. If you are following along on a smaller screen, you may need to look carefully at the menu layout, but the goal is simply to open the Markets area. After that, click on Gold. This will take you to the Gold Instrument page, where you can review the market and access the trading controls. Selecting the correct asset here is important, especially if you trade multiple instruments, because you want to make sure you are placing your order on gold and not on a different symbol by mistake. When the gold page opens, look to the right side of your screen and choose either sell or buy. This choice depends on the direction you expect the market to move. If you believe the price of gold may go down, select sell. If you believe the price may go up, select buy. Take a second here to make sure you are comfortable with your selection before continuing, since this determines the type of trade you are about to place. Next, continue filling out the order fields, then click Place Order. As you complete the form, review each field carefully and make sure the details match the trade you want to enter. This is a good time to slow down and double-check everything on the order ticket before submitting. Accuracy matters because once the order is placed, it becomes an active trade based on the settings you selected. After you click Place Order, your gold trade will be submitted through the platform. Before trading, it is always a good idea to understand the market conditions and review your order details one last time. Even a simple pause for verification can help prevent errors. That's it. You have now seen the process for trading gold in XM, from opening the home page to placing the order successfully.